Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss even numbers. What are even numbers? Let's get started. A number which is completely divisible by 2 with no remainder. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. Now prove that. We take number 2 and when we divide it from 2, 2 ones are 2, it completely divides and there is no remainder. Now take 4 and there is when we divide 4 from 2, 2 twos are 4, it completely divides, there is no remainder. And like this 6, when we divide 6, it completely divides by 2 and 2 threes are 6 and no remainder. The number which completely divides by 2 is an even number. Okay, or multiples of 2 is also an even number. Bye for now. See you soon and meet with another topic, and that is about odd number.